Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Che, empowered by Magic Needle. This day I am here with this Clover border, a beautiful floral border which suits most of our projects and enhances the beauty of the project too. So this particular sample piece I made with my hobby store Aaron Premium Acrylic Anti-Pill 5-ply yarn and a 5 mm Clover crochet hook, and it is worked in the short rows, so you can begin with the short rows and repeat the instructions for a set of rows to crochet to the length that is required. Okay, let's go into the video without any delay. Chain 13. Make a double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. One double crochet in the next chain. Now chain 5. Now skip the next 6 chains, and in the last chain place a double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, 4 double crochet separated by chain 3 spaces. So we made 4 double crochets separated, each separated by 3 chains. Now hold this and pull the first chain tight. So this is the advantage if we begin without a slip knot. Okay, for row 1, chain 1 and turn, make a single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, one half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. So make this set of stitches in each of the chain 3 spaces. So I have made the set of stitches in the first chain 3 space. Now single crochet HTC, 3 double HTC, single in the next, and the same set of stitches in the next chain 3 space. So complete. So I have placed the set of stitch repeats in all the 3 chain spaces. Now chain 5. Now place a double crochet in the 5th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One double crochet each on each of the next 2 doubles. And 1 double on the 3rd chain of the turning chain. So we have completed row 1. Now for row 2, chain 3. This is counted as 1 DC. Else, as I do, turn your work, pull up the loop, twist, insert the hook, pick up the loop, pull out, yarn over, pull through the loop and behind the twisted loop and twist, and yarn over, pull through 2. So first double is made. Now make 1 double each in each of the next 3. and 1 double in the first chain. Now chain 5, skip the next petal and on top of the middle DC place 4 double crochets separated by 3 chains. So third completed, 1 2 3, and place the last double crochet. Now chain 1 and turn for the next row. So place 1 single, 1 half double, 3 doubles, 1 half double, 1 single. So like we did for the previous petals. These 3 petals form the clover. Okay, so repeat the stitches: single, 1 half double, 3 doubles, 1 half double, 1 single in each of the next 3 chain spaces. So after placing the stitches, chain 5, skip 4 chains, and in the 5th chain place a double crochet. So hold your stitch, one double crochet each on each of the next doubles, and in the last, if you have done the turning chains, 3 chains, then on the top of the 3rd chain or on top of the double crochet, 1 double. In this row, 3rd row, we are having 6 doubles. Okay, for row 4, chain 3 and turn and make a twisted double in the very first stitch, 1 double each on each of the next doubles, and 1 double in the first chain. Chain 5, skip the next 4 chains and the first petal, and in the 2nd petal on the middle double crochet placed 4 doubles chain separated by chain 3 spaces. So double, chain 3, double, chain 3, double, chain 3, double. So complete that. For row 5, chain 1, turn, place the set of stitches of the petal, single crochet, half double, 3 doubles, half double, 1 SC in each and every chain 3 space. Complete and get back. Having made this clover, chain 5, skip the next 4 chains and 1 double in the 5th chain from the last stitch made, 1 double each on each of the next 6 doubles, one double on the last double, or on top of, or on the third chain of the 3 chains if you have made 3 chains as DC. So chain 3 and turn and make your first standing twisted double, one double in each of the next 2, chain 5, now list the 4 DCs 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th DC place a DC, chain 3, DC, chain 3, DC, chain 3, DC. 4 DCs, so each separated by chain 3 spaces. So this is how it looks for one repeat. Now repeat the rows 1 to 6 to continue the pattern to the desired length. So I shall make a few more repeats and get back to you. So I have made 2 more repeats of this border lace, and this can be worked with any yarn to suit your project, and it becomes a great border for your curtains. It adds beauty to the curtain. Okay, hope you like this small effort of ours. A request from our side, if you happen to be the first time viewer, or if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.